I don't think people understand just how revolutionary the Steam Deck is. The Steam Deck is a game changer, literally. It's a powerful handheld gaming PC that lets you take your Steam library on the go, but it's more than just hardware. Disclaimer: this is an AI-generated video and not sponsored by Valve. The Steam Deck represents a shift in the gaming landscape, pushing both handheld gaming and Linux to new heights. Before the deck, PC gaming on the go meant clunky compromises. Now we have a device that can handle AA titles, all while running on Linux. Gamers who wouldn't have considered Linux before are now experiencing its power and flexibility firsthand. With Valve's Proton compatibility layer, the Steam Deck can run a massive library of Windows games directly on Linux. Nintendo's Switch, while innovative, now faces serious competition. The Steam Deck's open nature and PC-like capabilities offer a different kind of freedom. It's not just about playing games, it's about having control over your gaming experience. We all know companies like Apple who treat their devices like fortresses. Valve takes the opposite approach with the Steam Deck. They encourage users to open up their devices, tinker with the hardware, and even install different operating systems. Valve provides detailed repair guides and partners with iFixit to make parts readily available. This commitment to the right to repair is huge. It empowers users and extends the lifespan of their devices. Valve's open arms policy is a breath of fresh air. It shows that they trust their users and are confident in their product. Remember how I said Valve encourages tinkering? Well, I put that to the test when I ran into a BIOS issue on my own Steam Deck. I messed up a setting and my deck was stuck in a boot loop. Panic set in. But then I remembered, I'm not alone. The Steam Deck community is amazing. Forums are filled with helpful people sharing their knowledge and experiences. Within minutes, I found a thread describing my exact problem and a step-by-step guide to fix it. Thanks to the community and Valve's open approach, I was back up and running within an hour. This experience solidified my belief in the power of open platforms and supportive communities. It reminded me that with the right tools and a little help, we can overcome almost any tech challenge. Section 4. Proton Power bringing Windows games to Linux. One of the Steam Deck's most impressive features is Proton. Developed by Valve, Proton is a compatibility layer that allows Windows games to run directly on Linux. This is huge for Linux gaming, as it drastically expands the library of games available. Proton has come a long way, with thousands of games running flawlessly on Linux. Valve is constantly improving Proton, and the future of Windows games on Linux looks bright. Imagine a future where you don't need to choose between Windows and Linux for gaming. Thanks to Proton, that future is closer than ever. This has massive implications for the gaming industry, potentially challenging Windows' long-standing dominance in PC gaming. However, I noticed that their solution was depleting the battery quickly. I thought, why not unplug and replug it? And to my surprise, it worked. Sometimes the simplest solutions can make the biggest difference. Section 5. Dreaming of distros customizing the Steam Deck experience. Now let's talk about my dream: creating a custom Linux distribution tailored specifically for the Steam Deck. Imagine a lightweight, gaming-focused distro optimized for the deck's hardware. Valve's open approach means there are no legal roadblocks to creating and distributing custom Steam Deck operating systems. The community is already experimenting with different distros, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a distro with a simplified user interface, optimized for gamepad navigation. The possibilities are endless. This is the power of open platforms, the freedom to dream, innovate, and customize to your heart's content. The Steam Deck is more than just a gaming device. It's a platform for innovation and a testament to the power of open source. Section 6. Disclaimer: AI-assisted, but my own 2 cents. Now, a little disclaimer before I wrap things up. While I stand behind every word in this essay, I did have some help from AI with the writing and editing process. It's a tool I've been experimenting with lately, and it's been a huge time saver. However, I want to be transparent. This is my voice, my opinion, and my genuine excitement for the Steam Deck. And to be clear, this is not an official endorsement or sponsored piece by Valve. I'm just a tech enthusiast who's genuinely impressed by what Valve has accomplished with the Steam Deck.